So my final step for the car show is to do the instant detailer. Now I've already wiped the car down with my favorite, the California Dustbuster. Works really good. This instant detailer that I found is one of the best. It really does what it says it's going to do, and I love the way it cleans. Let me show you the spots here. You can see these spots on the car. We spray some of the instant detailer right on the spots, just like that. Take a fairly clean terry cloth towel and just wipe, and they come right off like downtown, and this thing is smooth as a baby's